See the dog. Oh. Really? Sa labak. Saan mo? Sa labak. Kain na nun doon. Sa labak. Oh. Pasan mo. Tapos lokohin mo na. Mamaya. Oh. Loko. Hindi mo patawal na bakla. Huwag mo pansinin pag nakakuan ka. Dali mo din eh. Huwag mo pansinin. Come on, the dog is good, a good goalkeeper. Name Goopy. You see? You see the dog barking because he went to play. Huwag mo pansinin ulit. See the dog. It's a bright dog. It's Goopy. See, it's a goalkeeper. Wow, what a dog. Here we go. Check. Goopy. See, the ball. And Goopy. Tired. Goopy. So, goalkeeper. See that? Come on, Goopy. Hold it. Come on, pasa sa akin. Pass to me. Whoa, what a shot. Come on. Here we go. Goopy. The ball and Goopy. Bark. You want to play? You want to play? Bark. If you want to play, you will bark. You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? You want 1+1? Good. Come on, give it back. Give it out. May luwa ikagli pa din. Here's off. Pass to me. See. Oh, what a bite. See the ball. The ball is so bad. And Goopy. You want to play? Okay, we'll play again. Pick it. Pick it, come. You're tired?